For all of you that saw the last video, I did get a shovel. I'm not an idiot anymore. So thank you all for the comments and encouragement to get a shovel. Today we washed another very mossy driveway here in the Pacific Northwest. We also took care of the roof, which had much more moss on it than the driveway. But I'm going to go ahead and just do this with no captions and no sound. Hopefully you enjoy this. Leave me a comment down below if you like this type of video, and I'll see you guys soon. Whoops. Dirty. Thank you all for watching this short transformation video. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and come on back for more. And if you missed the last video, check it out coming up next.